All right. Welcome back, friends. Same trading day as other videos that I've uploaded. Um, in a position right now, kind of slower aftermarket hours, but this was a really good opportunity that I saw and thought that I should try and capitalize on it. Um, basically, our trade earlier, we had a long position, roughly, I want to say like, I don't know, up to here. Stops like down here, roughly. I don't know, something like this. Hit all or take profits, so we got the bag. And I was looking, it kind of rolled around. I was looking for imbalances in the market. I was looking for fair value gaps. I was looking for something for us to retrace to. At we opened at 4 o'clock, came right back down. We invalidated one of our fair value gaps on the hour, and we had another fair value gap. If you look very closely, right here. My original entry was going to be off of the fair value gap right here. I was going to have my entry set right here. I wanted more though. I wanted more confluences. That's what I waited for. That's what I'm training myself to do better. Got this tap into that fair value gap. If you look at our retracement tool, we were just right around at the 50%, right around at a discount level. Didn't exactly get a discount. So we retraced back into 50% or equilibrium, and then it is right here, and I will highlight it. Let's do blue. This is blue right here, so high then low. 1 minute, we got a break of structure right here. Immediately put in my order for 6 contracts, and then honestly, not a big fan of the risk to reward. I'm keeping it down right below. I'm keeping the risk right below some or right like near 30-minute lows. I think it makes more sense to target these 15-minute highs before we were to, if we before we like do move back lower down to this liquidity down here. So I would like to see these 15-minute highs get hit. That's where my first take profit is at, and then um, stops at break even. And I would like to see something happen from there. Once first take profit is hit, like I said, break even. Um, almost could have bottom taked it. I'm not going to try and do that though. I was going to wait for a 5 minute break of structure, but I really didn't want to miss this entry, especially because the order flow was super bullish on the on the on like the order system. So super bullish order flow. I'm waiting as well for I'm giving price some room to react, visit this order block again, the leg down that caused the sweep of liquidity. So waiting for that to happen. And yeah, I will update this trade like I do with all my other ones. See if we get stopped out, see what take profits we get, and maybe how we could have optimized based on what's gonna happen. So I will see you guys in a second. All right. Recap. Big L. Unfortunate. It's okay. I'm not really too worried about it. Um, where I am kicking myself a little bit though is my entry on this. Um, we swept like 30-minute liquidity. We didn't have any hourlies. Like if we ignore kind of this blue candle and on, we had imbalances all through here, and I was looking specifically to target this imbalance that was right here. Oops. Okay. So yeah, I marked that imbalance out, and here was my original entry before. Oh my god, this is insane. My original entry was top of the fair value gap, and then stops would have been. I was thinking I was a little bit more confident in this one. I don't really know. I still wasn't as confident, but this provided a way better entry. but probably would have just been below these lows down here. Um, that's where I was thinking about putting it, and I would have been able to load up on a couple more contracts. And even then, in this case, when we come down and sweep out this liquidity, we had these 15-minute highs that were our TP1. These this low draw on liquidity, right here. Unfortunately, that wasn't even hit. So maybe where I could have looked to do was set my TP. Why is it not working for me? So set my TP to be right there, which still wouldn't have even. You guys know what I mean. Right there would have been my take profit. Um, what could I have done better? Honestly, I'm just chasing the trade. This was really like this was really just like I needed to. I like had an not. I don't even know how to say this without sounding crazy. I had like I felt like there was a need to trade, even though I caught a W this morning. And yes, it is a like different trading day, so I will not be risking any more capital. Um, tomorrow during the day, but I really got super confident in these candles, in my analysis. You know, if we're looking from low to high of today, um, we tapped right into equilibrium, then rallied back up, sort of. Um, Honestly, just stick with my gut next time for the trade. I mean, we were consistently making, you know. Well, I guess this was possibly a sweep. We have to wait and see if we get a break of structure, but we didn't even get a break of structure right here, so this was definitely just a sweep. Take out stop losses like mine, and yeah, I just wanted to be. I felt confident in my entry that was set for right here, and unfortunately, just did not go the way that I expected it to, which is no biggie. Um, Kind of added in a few more contracts before I got stopped out. I was kind of down down here, and right around this area. I added some more contracts in, um, increased the risk a little bit, also increases the reward. But I'm pretty confident that price will just rally right to the upside, right to my take profit. So, lesson for next time: stick with your original trading plan that you have. I had probably the most perfect entry that I could have down here, which allowed for some flexibility. I could have sweat it. Excuse me, my God, I could have set my stop at whatever lows like I felt like. Really, especially with looking at the higher time frame, I caught this whole right up. So um, yeah, 4 hour break of structure to the upside. So I was hoping to catch that um, retracement and then rally back up, but price just didn't want to go through and do that this time, so mistimed it. That's it for the trade today. I will catch you guys in a few days from now. Thanks for watching.